Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings, scroll all the way down to system, select reset phone, and then erase all data. It will give you an information what this removes, along with what accounts will be also logged out. So let's just select erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it here. I have a pattern, so there we go. From there we can select erase all data, and this will start the process. Now this will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient, and once it's finished we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.